Welcome back, everyone. Another video. Leg day today. We're in the sauna. We just got sauna chilling here in the corner. I'm gonna warm up a little bit. I took pre-already. I am tingling, so hopefully this heats up quick, just so I can get right to work. I'm gonna stretch pretty damn good, and we're gonna do a lot of work. I might search it today, depending on how everything feels. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's getting after today. Today's Friday. This will be out on a Saturday though. Hope everyone has a good weekend. Hope everyone's still getting after it. By the time this video comes out, I'll be in San Diego, and we'll be doing a San Diego vlog. We're gonna go check the city out, head to the beaches, because the beaches are supposed to be nice today. We were talking to some guy in the gym, and it makes sense. He was saying that Venice Beach is more like a tourist beach. There's too many people. Apparently San Diego is a lot better. What was the other one he said? He said Malibu was good, so maybe we'll check Malibu too. I don't know exactly where that is, but we'll have to look it up. Anyways, weekends we're basically doing 2 days a week at the gym. No, not 2 days a week. 2 times a day, every day. Mainly the weekdays, and then like weekends we're gonna have to meal prep, do laundry, and just like basically clean up and reset for the next week. That's coming up, so that like Monday to Friday we can just grind and do that. We're probably gonna have to meal prep fucking today too, bro. We're basically out of the food we made, so we got a meal prep, and that's really fun. What we might just do like a quicker one, or I might just put that at the end of a vlog or something. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Regardless, I'm gonna be here for 5-10 minutes, just warm up, get a little sweat going, go stretch, and we'll get right to the workout.
My leg went like that. Bro, nurturing my shoes, definitely not the wave, bro. I'll run it back. I don't know if you guys seen that, but my leg fucking like twisted. Didn't get injured or nothing, thankfully, but like, whew, could have been bad. I like lost balance with the shoe, so I'm just gonna. Well, I got pretty heavy here, up to 4. Quick single. I had more energy for more. I just, after that, I didn't want to fucking continue doing no more. So we're gonna go do split squats right now on the Smith machine as our main compound. We're just gonna switch over there, and then we'll hit some machines. And I'm gonna do core in between everything. Like, I'll probably hit some leg raises right now, real quick before I start leg or split squats. Yeah. Come on. Let's go.
Chris showed me
Beast. What up?
Shout out my boy Chris.
Shout out Chris for the move.
Chris, that's his move. He showed me that. Oh, wide. Yeah. How crazy is that? Yeah, that one's tough. I think I have my arms bent too much.
Boom. Come on.
Damn. Hey, what's up, dog?
Hey, how's it going, man?
I'm kind of
Nice to see you, man. Hope you're doing
I've
good.
been watching your shit. You're too funny, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you get tired, do this.
Yeah, those. Because those are the easy ones. That's why I smacked them between.
Burning. Alright. Flip time? We're doing some flips. I'm bouncy as fuck right now. Terrence gonna hop in this too. I've been doing some gainers, some side flips. So much power right now. Bouncy as fuck. I keep letting my heels though. When I let my heels, it kind of fucks my foot up. But I'm just gonna mix up. And I don't know, I did a few videos already of flipping. I was super bouncy, I'm still bouncy now. And I did a back handspring, it went out of frame. But honestly, I think my problem with the back handspring is I'm landing on my wrist instead of like using it to guide me backwards. Like I think I'm basically doing a backflip into a handstand, which is like fucking putting so much pressure on my wrist. Whereas I need more speed and momentum, and I gotta keep my legs straight too, so that I'm pushing off the ground, kind of like the round off. Because I have the round off down pat, but with the back handspring, I need to be pushing away from the ground for more momentum, right? That's the whole point of it. But for whatever reason, I guess I just haven't practiced it enough. I just learned it, but I gotta practice like on the trampoline, going fast as fuck, so that I can just smash on the floor and shit. All right, let's see what he hits here. I got 3% left on the battery. Boom. All right, cardio time. Flips are basically cardio. Another cardio type. Oh. Incline walking. High incline. Mediocre walk. I'm gonna go for about 30 minutes. Oh, I need my water. Catch you in the car. Alright, we're at the supermarket. We're gonna try this one out. We're in the valley. This is a fucking super nice area. We're gonna see if it's cheap or not. We were told it was. I don't know. This area is fucking really nice. Last time we went to Rouse, so we're gonna try Colorado.
Yeah, we're here.
Let's hope it's not fucking crazy expensive.
Hopefully it's not 10 mil.
10
It looks
mil.
so nice though.
Let's go this way.
This is the nicest grocery store ever.
I know. It's like very. Damn. It's very welcoming.
Yeah, I think so too.
Alright, meal prep week 2. I didn't show the potato peeling last time. So here we go. Whole bag of potatoes, rinsed. We're gonna peel these, rinse them again, throw them in some boiling water. You put them in. Banana to cut.
Is that because they splash?
Just dump them in, bro.
No.
You know what I did last time? I put I guess they're a bit hot now, but potatoes going in. Whoa, oh!
There's only one way to put it in.
Yeah, but no, last time I put all the potatoes in the pot, and then I put the water, and then I started boiling them.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a cup? Hurry, get that cup from under there. Hurry.
What cup?
Get the one cup. Get it. Hurry.
The one cup.
Oh, you're strong.
My cup?
No, one cup.
Oh, one cup.
Yeah, because
I thought you meant like one singular cup. I didn't
no,
really...
because we have to drain this.
Garlic time. Garlic done. Alright. Buddy grabbed the wrong cheese. I'm headed for Ralph Run. Don't burn the kitchen down.
I'm closing this door.
The feds? Bro, it's gonna heat up though. Yeah. Buddy grabbed 2 cheddars. And he's like, bro, you gotta go. You gotta go. I gotta grab my wallet now. Boom. Off we go. Don't vlog and drive. Only professionals do it like me. You feel me? Alright, so we're gonna go to the we're gonna go to the grocery store. I just gotta grab the white cheddar because we need it. Alright, I didn't end up shopping in there. Or I did ended up shopping. Of course I did. But I didn't record in there. Got the mozzarella cheese. I was just so like, dude, I couldn't find the right one. There was like 8 million different types of cheese, bro, and I wasn't trying to get some fucking expensive $10 bag and shit. So we got it. We're headed back. Hopefully he's got the chicken cut and shit. We gotta start cooking that. And bro, honestly, like, there's like, today is gonna be such a long night. It's 11:30. We're still cooking everything, and no one knows how to drive in the city. It's been a long night because I posted a couple videos scheduled, but I gotta do 2 vlogs. This included, and then I gotta do all the shorts. So it's gonna be a long night. We're gonna wake up tomorrow and go to San Diego. That'll be the vlog for tomorrow, for Sunday basically. It's a long night ahead of us, but hey, that's the type of shit you gotta do when you're grinding, man. We ain't here for no vacay. It's fucking work, baby. Thanks to God, we're making it work. Catch you back in the kitchen. Alright. Alright. Finally done this vlog. Damn, chest pump. Straight ground beef. 2:24 a.m. Dead tired. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Full day, full leg and ab day. It's week 2 of cooking. I'll try to make week 2 of cooking another separate video, but we just had to get that done, and you know, I'm so ready to go to bed and get some sleep. We'll be in San Diego tomorrow, so catch you guys for that vlog. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Jake. Dead tired, but I'll catch you tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Peace.